What if the US government was more efficient and artificial intelligence could revolutionize our economy? Elon Musk shared his thoughts at the World Government Summit in Dubai, covering topics like government reform, artificial intelligence, and infrastructure. One of his key roles right now is helping improve the US government by reducing inefficiencies, with the goal of making it run smoother and cost less. Musk pointed out that there are currently 450 federal agencies in the US, which he compared to having too many referees in a game. His plan is to cut down the number of agencies, update outdated technology systems, and move workers from less productive government roles to more productive private sector jobs. A big goal of this reform is to save about $1 trillion, which could help control inflation, lower interest rates, and reduce debt. A major part of these changes is modernizing technology. Musk gave an example of how the government handles federal worker retirements. The process is stuck in the past, relying on paper documents and taking up to 1,000 people to manage. Even though there's been a plan to digitize the system for 11 years, progress has been slow, showing just how much work is needed to bring things up to speed. Musk also talked about artificial intelligence, announcing that a new AI model called GROK 3 is about to be released. GROK 3 is built with advanced computing and synthetic data, and Musk says it's much better at reasoning than current AI systems. This artificial intelligence can even spot and fix mistakes in its own data, making it scary smart and able to come up with unexpected solutions to tough problems. GROK 3 could change industries by helping solve complex problems in areas like healthcare, energy, and more. Looking ahead, Musk sees a future where robots powered by AI could provide limitless products and services. This could change the way economies work and might even make traditional money less important. But Musk warned that we need to be careful when developing AI, ensuring that it seeks the truth and doesn't have built-in biases that could cause problems. Musk also shared his disappointment with OpenAI. He initially invested $50 million to help create an open-source, non-profit project, but now OpenAI has turned into a for-profit company. He compared this to turning a rainforest preservation project into a lumber business, which was not the original plan. On transportation, Musk talked about a new Dubai Loop project from his company, the Boring Company. The idea is to build underground tunnels for faster, safer, and quieter transportation. The Las Vegas Loop, which already connects major locations like hotels and airports, shows that it can work. Musk explained that tunnels actually protect better during earthquakes than surface buildings because underground structures aren't affected as much. Musk also touched on education in the US, pointing out that despite spending a lot of money, the country ranks last in education among 40 OECD countries. This highlights the inefficiencies that his reforms aim to fix. Throughout the talk, Musk focused on solving problems with practical solutions, whether that's in government, transportation, or artificial intelligence. He wants to use technology to improve systems and is always thinking about the long-term impact on society, while also being cautious of the potential risks.